Have very interesting in logical equation, exponential equation, how we can calculate the value of x. Exponent of x is equal to 2 exponent of 2048. Very interesting in logical question. So we are using in here two methods. First of all, using without logarithmic form. So we are simplify this term. So exponent of x is equal to 2 exponent. This 2048 if we divide it by 2. So this will be cancelled. So we get in here 2 into 1024 we get. Now according to this rules we can simplify according to this power rule. So we can get in here 4 up to 1024. Exponent of x is equal to 4 exponent of 1024. Now again 1024 if we divide it by 2, so we get in here 2, 5, 10, 1 and 2. So this terms we can also apply in here 2 multiply by 5, 1, 2, 5. So exponent of x is equal to 4 square and 512. This will be 16 and 512 is their exponent. Again if we further this divide 512 divided by 2, so we get in here 2 or 2, 5 and 6. So it means that this term we can write 16 to multiply by 256. Now exponent of x is equal to, again we can simplify in the form of exponent form to exponent of 56. So 16 square we get 256 and their power is 256. Now bases are same and power are same. Look here. So we are comparing their exponents. So we get x is equal to 256 is the solution of this question by without logarithm. So now we are using, if the variable is base and power is here, so exponents is also variable. So we are applying in here natural logarithm. Applying natural logarithm. And here natural logarithm is ln x exponent of x, ln 2 exponent of 2048. Now another rule we are applying in here, m log of m exponent of n times log of m, and according to this rule we are applying on the both term. So this implies that x log of x is equal to 2048 log of 2. Now according to the W lumbered function we can write in here W a into e exponent of a is equal to a. This term and this term must be same. Now we try to change this term. We can write x is equal to e exponent of log of x. Now this term e exponent of log of x and log of x is equal to 2048 and log of term and log of x into e exponent of log of x is equal to 2048 and log of 2. Now according to the W lumbered function we are applying in here log of x, e exponent of log of x is equal to 2048 and log of 2. So this will be equal to log of x is equal to W 2048 and log of 2. But we are required the value of x, so we change into the exponential form in here. So this will be remaining in here x is equal to e exponent of W lumbered function 48 and log of 2. So if we are simplify, since this will be equal to 256, x is the solution by another method. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, share this video more and more.